but you don't really care for music, do you? When it goes like this before the film, the money phone and the medley, the baffled king composing hallelujah, hallelujah. Strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty in the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Time when you let me know what's really going on below, but now you never show that to me, to you. Remember when I'm moving you and the honey dog was moving too, and every breath we drew hallelujah, hallelujah. Soon somebody